What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, and today I got a pretty cool video. I know I've been gone for 3 weeks or so, but I just didn't want to put out content that I was in loving making or something fun for you guys to enjoy. But today I got two good announcements. That one I'm going to be saying right now, and the second one you're going to have to wait to the end of the video, so make sure you stick around. But before that, I want to show you guys a little pickup I did over the time I was gone. I picked up the Marsh. I picked up the Marsh in a size 5.5. They're bricks, so if you guys want to buy them, go hit up my page at Money Cuts and buy them for me for $2.50 because it's a steal, but they're bricks. Now for the announcement that I am really proud to announce or to say, I have partnered up with a shoe cleaning company called GOAT. Okay, there you go. Okay, so I have partnered up with GOAT. Oh yeah, it's right. GOAT. It's called, well, GOAT is the greatest of all time, and it's a premium shoe cleaner. I got the package. I think it's about $18, but I do have a code which is Molina_21, and you guys can get 15% off, I believe, of all purchases you make. So we're gonna put this to the test right now with some Air Forces that I have. But I just want to say that if you guys are looking for a premium shoe cleaner, check out GOAT, check out videos, look at their page. I'll link them down below. I've seen some videos on them and it's crazy what they can do. But let's get on to the review. So we're gonna be cleaning these Air Force that you see me wear a lot. As you guys can see, they're pretty beat. Look at that. The bottom, and the other one's pretty gross too. I was playing football on these in the grass, so I thought there's gonna be some grass stains, but apparently there's not, so that's good. But as you guys can see, these they're pretty beat, and a lot of these stains are from like weeks ago, so it's really hard to take these stains off with other shoe cleaners. But I just don't think this is enough, you know, because when you're called the GOAT, you always go the extra mile, you always push yourself to the limit. So I thought that's exactly what we should do with these shoes, and I guess you'll figure out what we're doing, because the GOAT always goes the extra mile. So let's find out what the GOAT does. So as you guys can see right now, we are in my backyard, and 500 likes on this video and I'll jump in with my box logo into the pool. But 500 likes, you know. So this is how we're gonna put these shoes to the test. You see this is dirt, obviously. Oh damn. And then this is what's that called? A water hose. So we're gonna get water, we're gonna create some mud, then we're gonna jump in with some Air Forces. So let's go turn on the water and let's see what happens. Okay, so the water hose is on, and I think we're gonna do it like right here. This is where we're gonna do it. Ooh, look at all that nasty mud. Poor shoes. I forgot to take a picture of like before and after, but you guys will see right now. Let's get it real muddy. Woo. Alright, and I gotta figure out a camera angle because I don't know where I'm gonna put it yet. So that looks like it should be good enough. Let's get some more just in case. I think that should be good enough, especially that spot right there. But let's see how it happens. Be right back. So this is what the mud looks like. Let me take my shoe off. A little before, maybe I can take a screenshot of this. So this is the before, dirty. Oh, not, yeah, dirty, but it's how to get dirtier. Fuck, dude, this shit hurts. Okay, let's do this. Let me set up the camera angle and let's jump in right there.
One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Oh my god, this hurts. There it is. So there are the shoes. God, this hurts so much. All right, I'm gonna take them off and I'm gonna switch in. Oh shit. Wait, how do I do this? I need a camera. Oh my God. Oh God, I stepped on mud too. Oh no, 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 no. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm good. Now let's take the shoes inside real quick, and I might take out these chunks just to not make a mess in my room, but either or, they are disgusting. So let's see. Oh God dang. Okay, let's see what we can do. But yeah, let me clean up the shoes. I'm just gonna like shake them a little bit, just try and take this excess off because I really don't want to mess in my room either. Yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back in my room, and dude, what the fuck? I never thought I was gonna do this to a pair of shoes. Even the laces got dirty up here. We might have to take them off. But I didn't take that chunk of mud off. Dang it. Okay, so I have this like towel up here. You need a rag and you need a bowl of water. I preferably use warm water usually. And the instructions are pretty easy. You're gonna dip the brush into the bowl. Let me open this up actually. Dude, I'm not nervous. I'm just like, damn, I never thought I'd be in a position to just be able to do that to my shoes. So you're gonna get some of the solution, dip it into the bowl or into the brush. I'd rather do the brush and then like kind of dip it. And then you want to use the Hog hairbrush, gently lifted, foaming action. 2 to 3 minutes, wipe clean with cloth or towel. Repeat steps 1 through 5 as needed. Air dry once. So you need a towel. Okay, so I'm gonna take the shoe laces off real quick just to have a better grip of the shoes, and then we'll lace them up later. And then we have to clean them as well because they got kind of dirty. So let's do that real quick. Over. Okay, so we're gonna start. Okay, I'm gonna put this shoe over here just for comparison right now. We're gonna start with this shoe. So the first thing we're gonna do, you're gonna open this up. And is it open already? We're gonna drop a couple squirts. Gotta wet the brush a little bit with the water. Let me show you guys. And now you wanna drop a couple. Oh, it's closed, dude. God dang it, fail. Okay, whoop. And you go. You don't want too much on the first one because you don't want to make a mess either, but now we're gonna start scrubbing the shoe around. If you need more, just get more. And then you might have to rinse your water as well because you don't want to have all the same dirt that you're putting back into your shoe. You want to scrub around. Whenever you need a wipe, whenever you're making like too much foam, or just wipe it so that you can start over and clean again. Oh my God, look at that. It's almost as if nothing happened. Okay, so look at that. I'm still not done yet, but here is the first part. And then look at this side. So big difference. Water rinsed out. Now we're gonna start on this side of the shoe. Damn, it's a mess in here, bro. The mud, that was not a good idea. It's like, okay, this is gonna be a mess right here. I gotta clean that right now, okay. Oh, I should have started with the bottom. No. Should have started with the bottom, bro. So now it's gonna go up all the way on top of the shoe again. No. I need a bigger space or something. Yep, I should have started with the bottom, bro. Okay. Scrub, and then I'm gonna do the other shoe off cam just to not make this video too long. Okay, so while the shoes are drying, I'm actually gonna show you guys how you guys can get your hands on a brand new GOAT shoe care product, how you guys can do that using my code. So we're gonna go into your Google. This is the GOAT shoe care, greatest of all time. So now you're gonna go to shop now. And then these are all the cleaning kits you could use. Well, this is like the one that I got, the premium shoe cleaner kit brush. Hog hairbrush, not cheap plastic. Premium solution made for all natural ingredients. Made from all natural ingredients. It is currently on sale for $18. But this is all that it helps you with. Cleans over 80 types of different shoes. Nubuck, suede, canvas, nylon, mesh, fly knit, fleece, and more. But now if you guys want to buy some, you guys gonna go to shop. And you guys can shop of all of these. You can get from the premium kit, which is what I got. Premium Vault sneaker cleaner kit, and then the premium shoe wipes and socks. The spray is really good. I don't have them, but I'm gonna get one for my shoes. Exactly, I'm gonna order it. And then this double brush, I haven't seen this. Premium double-sided shoe cleaning brush. I believe it's just like different textures that helps you with different stuff. A hat, a brush, but all this, I need a micro fiber cleaning towel. I also need one of those. But so what you want to do is pretty much, let's say you want to get the Premium Vault sneaker kit. Just click on it. Then you go to add to cart, and that's what it comes with. And then you want to go to checkout. Once you're in checkout, oh, ignore you saw that. Okay, once you're in checkout, oh, I have the sock. Oh, I get the socks for free. Okay, so I think if you order $15 or more, you get socks for free. So, free socks, goat socks. So, you just want to put in Molina, Molina _21. So it's MOLINAA_21. You want to apply that, and you get $5 off. So it goes from $40 all the way to $33. So that is really good. Even though it's only 15% off, 15% can go a long way. So if you guys want to get yourself some goat cleaning product, make sure you go down to the link below, and I'll leave everything down below how you do it. Hopefully this helps you out. And now let's go back to the shoes, see how they are, and let's show you. Okay, so we are back, and this is the final step, or the final thing. I don't know how to explain it. This is it. Look at that. Look at the bottom. It's really clean. View. The only thing that I wasn't able to take this off is this, but I think that's just because I was walking one day and I accidentally, I didn't fall, but my shoe kind of went to one side and I kind of scraped it. So I couldn't take that off, but that's just in the leather, so I really couldn't do anything about that. But overall, everything else is super clean. Look at that. Super clean. This is the other side. This shoe came out cleaner just because this one doesn't have that little thing, the skit, but look at that. Super clean. But this is it. Now I'm just gonna lace them up and show you guys the final product for sure. And that's about it. And then we're gonna go into the last the last announcement I have. Okay, so I finally laced up the laces like 20 minutes later. For you it's like seconds, but to me it was minutes. So here's the final product. I laced them up. I'm about to go put them on and then show you guys some B-roll at the end of this video. But before we do that, I'm actually gonna tell you guys what my final announcement is. And if I could get a drum roll right, hold up, dude. Come on, camera. Come on, tripod, work with me. All right. My final announcement is, drum roll, please. And it's that I'm gonna be attending SneakerCon Vancouver on February 27th. So if I have any Canadian viewers, I will be at SneakerCon in Vancouver, Canada on the 27th. I'm gonna be there from the 27th, 28th, 29th. Oh, it's on the 28th, I think, on the 29th. I'm gonna be there from the 27th of February all the way to the 1st of March. I'm gonna be exploring Canada because I've never been there. I'm really excited. We already got the tickets. We got our hotel. And that's about it. But I'm gonna be there. I'm gonna be vlogging. So if you guys are my viewers, expect the vlog going from Yuma all the way to Phoenix and then flying to Canada. And you guys will be able to see that road trip with my friends and my brothers tagging along. So if you guys are excited for that, make sure you guys leave a like. And if there's anything in Canada that I should visit in Vancouver, let me know down in the comments below, because I really want to make sure I enjoy this as much as I can. That's where we're going for so long. That way we don't just go to SneakerCon and we're done. We're trying to get we're trying to explore and celebrate, celebrate Canada. I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna be in SneakerCon Canada. So if you guys would want to see me, if you see me and you know me, say hi, say what's up, Money Cuts or something like that. But yeah, but besides that, that's about it. Turned out, honestly, this product worked amazing. The smell, when I was outside cleaning the second shoe, because it was a mess in my room, I was like, you know what, I gotta take it outside. The smell of this product is honestly my favorite of all the products I've used. This thing smells super good. It smells like, bro, I don't know what the smell. If you guys know what Suavitel is, if you guys are Latinos, Mexicans like me, you guys should know what Suavitel is, or what's the other word? Fabuloso. That's what it smells like. It smells really good. Even my shoe smells good. I was cleaning it and the wind started picking up, and then I was like, damn, this thing smells good. So make sure you guys go down below in the description, click the link below. It'll take you right to the website. Whatever you want to order, make sure you guys use code Molina_21 to get 50% off your order. Anytime you want to order something, it's always 50% off. It's not limited or anything. Whenever you want to, there it is. Besides that, I hope you guys have a great day. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And like I said, if you guys want to use Molina for goat shoe care, I really recommend it. Besides that, hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.